Hey everyone, this is Josh Carney from Carney Media Group and the Music Tech Help Guy YouTube channel. Today we're checking out the SPIRE portable recording studio from iZotope. First, a big thanks to Sweetwater.com for sending this over to review. Sweetwater has been my one-stop shop for audio and music production gear and software for over a decade. They have great customer service, free shipping, and support for your purchases when you need it. iZotope SPIRE is a completely portable solution for musicians and songwriters looking to take their music with them on the go. It's a 2-in, 2-out wireless recording system with 2 mic preamps and 2 headphone outputs, built-in effects, and a 4-hour rechargeable battery, so you can charge it up and make mobile recordings anywhere. Control of SPIRE is easy with the SPIRE Studio app, available as a free download on the Mac App Store or on Google Play for Android devices. After installing the app, simply select the SPIRE Studio as a Wi-Fi device and then open the SPIRE app. Click on the plus button to create a new project, then click on the sound check button and play for 10 seconds at your loudest volume to set the microphone gain level. Then hit record and start playing. So it's super simple to get started with SPIRE in just minutes. All of the controls I just mentioned that were in the app are also doubled as buttons directly on SPIRE itself. Click here for a new song, then sound check, hit record to start recording, and then hit the record button again to stop recording, and then just press play to listen back. The purple meter monitors your input level while you're not recording. If it turns red at the top of the meters, it means you're clipping. If this happens, try clicking the sound check button again and play at your loudest dynamic for the full 10-second sound check. The LED meters aren't just meters either, they're touch controls for track selection and volume. For volume, click the volume button and then move the blue slider on the touch display from left to right to increase the headphone volume. For layering up multi-track recordings, having a metronome is really handy. This is built right into SPIRE. Choose your meter from the top, and then press the tap button repeatedly to set the tempo. Then you just record your first track. If you didn't like that take, click here and choose delete. You can also trim the track before and after a certain point here as well. After you record your first take, you can just press record again to automatically make an additional track. You can layer up to 8 tracks of audio this way. With multi-track projects, you can use the touch LEDs on the SPIRE to select each track. After recording a multi-track project, you can click the mix option to control the volume and pan of each track in the mix. Up and down controls the volume, and left and right controls the position. On the back of the SPIRE, there's 2 mic and line inputs. There's also phantom power for condenser mics. These can be used to record up to 2 microphones simultaneously. However, keep in mind that plugging a mic into input 1 disables the front built-in mic. This is great because you can properly position 2 microphones in front of the performer and get better quality recordings than what you'd get with the built-in mic.
And I feel it's more than you know. I live my life.
For electric guitar and bass, plug directly into the line input with an instrument cable, and you can select an amp tone and pedal effects from the recording effects. There's also spaces, which are reverb presets that are great for the vocals. After you're done recording, you can export your mix as an M4A or WAV file. You can publish to social media or SoundCloud, or my favorite, you can export each of the individual tracks in the project as stems, and then you can mix your recordings in your DAW of choice. Now, realistically, are you gonna record and mix your whole album with this? No. Is it a great way to get musical ideas down and then flesh out some great demo recordings? Definitely. This is also perfect to bring to band practice and get some decent demo recordings that way. You don't have to have any special equipment, no laptop, no audio interface or microphones, none of that. Just your voice or instrument, some headphones, and SPIRE, and you've got all you need to put together a solid demo for yourself or for your band. Alright, so that's the SPIRE mobile recording studio from iZotope. With SPIRE, you can record inside, outdoors, at home, band practice, wherever you need to. Thanks again to our friends at Sweetwater for sending this over, and make sure to check them out for all of your audio and music production gear and software needs. I'll leave a link where you can check this out in the video description below. If you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. You can also check me out on social media, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on Patreon. Thanks for the support, and thanks for watching.